In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Rotate Keyframe in CapCut. By the end, you'll know how to create smooth, controlled rotation in your clips using keyframes, whether you're on the web version or the app. Start by opening CapCut on your device. If you're using the web editor, make sure you're signed in and looking at the main workspace. On mobile or desktop, the interface may look a little different, but the tools we'll use are the same. Next, choose the 16:9 canvas. This is the standard widescreen format, and it's perfect for platforms like YouTube. Setting the aspect ratio first ensures your rotation stays framed the way you intend and avoids surprises later. If your content was shot vertically, 16:9 will give you a horizontal canvas with extra room for motion. Now upload your video and place it on the timeline. Drag the clip in if you're on desktop, or tap to add it if you're on mobile. Make sure the clip is selected so the editing controls appear. You'll see options for transforming the clip, including rotation. Go to the Rotate control. This is usually in the Transform or Basic Settings panel, alongside Position and Scale. You can rotate by dragging a knob on the preview or by typing an exact value in degrees. Add your first keyframe. Move the playhead to the moment where you want the rotation to start and click Add Keyframe. This pins the current rotation at that exact time. Think of it as a marker that says, at this frame, keep the current rotation. Adjust the line on your timeline by dragging the playhead forward to the point where you want the rotation to end, then click Add Keyframe again. The distance between these two keyframes controls how fast the rotation happens. Closer means faster, further means slower. With the second keyframe selected, adjust the rotation number. Positive values rotate clockwise. Negative values rotate counterclockwise. Small changes like 5 to 15 degrees create subtle, natural movement. Larger values can create dramatic spins. Use exact numbers for precision and repeatable results. Play the video to preview. Watch how the rotation smoothly animates from the first keyframe to the second. If it feels too quick or too slow, nudge the second keyframe along the timeline or tweak the degree value until it matches your vision. You'll notice your clip now has a clean rotation effect driven by keyframes. This approach gives you full control over both timing and intensity, and it works the same way for gentle camera drift or bold, attention-grabbing spins. Keep experimenting with timing and values to refine your style.